shallow pot, but there are 4 holes. Okay, so how would you prepare a bonsai pot? We have this net. पहले जब net available नहीं थी तो हम ठीकरा रख देते थे. But if you notice that some of the pots are very shallow. उसमें ठीकरा रख देंगे तो फिर ऊपर मट्टी नहीं आ पाती. So here about an inch all around the holes, and then we cut. You can even stick it with something. We prefer to put it this because sometimes you want to repot. जब निकालना है तो इसको भी धोना पड़ता है. So when it is not fixed as such permanently, then you can take it out. Now we've taken a thin piece of wire and see this. This is gone through like that. Yeah. And इसके फिर पीछे से
इसको नॉट कर दिया.
You just twist it. ये सिक्योर हो गया. Doing very well. बहुत पतले वो नहीं हो तो हम सैंड भी डालते हैं, हम खंगर का टुकड़ा भी छोटा छोटा डालते हैं. तो your soil should be very friable, porous, draining होनी चाहिए. पर ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि अगर आपने मान लीजिए पॉट में पानी डाला और वो 1 मिनट में सारा ड्रेन होकर के नीचे निकल जाए और फिर 1 घंटे में 2 घंटे में सूख जाए. Because think about it, in the month of May, what are you going to do? You can't keep watering your plants all through the day. Twice a day, of course, we do water our plants morning and evening. Pot is very shallow. Yeah? And when we fix, जब आपका गहरा गमला होता है तो आप उसको अंदर डाल करके मट्टी से अंदर से ठोक देते हैं. Here the pot is very shallow. So you need to कहीं हिल ना जाए, आपका दुपट्टा कहीं अटक ना जाए. So it is better. You'll see how we secure the plant when we pot it. Also, in the pot. First have your pot ready. Because don't do this कि आपने गमला plant निकाल दिया फिर आप करना है. Because the lesser shock you give to the roots, the better. Okay. So one is the plant itself. Second is the growing medium, is the soil. And third is the pot in which it is. As you see that there are so many different kinds of pots. So whatever, and there are round pots, there are deep pots, rectangular pots, all kinds of pots. Whatever enhances the beauty of your plant. That it's like a framework to a painting. When you choose frame a painting, you see what looks nice and enhances the painting, right? So the pot is also something else. Plant which is already been under training, you can see how there are wires all along, right? And there are new branches also that have grown up, that have grown out. So now these, if I need them, I will wire them and bring them in the direction that I want. So this one is getting in. You never have any branches which go inside. Why? It's a very natural phenomenon. Look at this tree. The sun is coming from all sides. So the branches will all go towards the sun, not towards the inside. And that also does not look very, for example here, this branch is going here, towards the trunk. So this is not correct. If I need it, I will wire it and then turn it. Otherwise, I will just cut it off. In this case, I don't need it. In this case, I will also cut it off and wait for this branch to come out from here. It will go in this direction. Okay. The other thing is that always then they keep getting almost like an umbrella or like a triangular. If you see those pine trees, that is the natural way of them getting conical or in a triangular form, right? नीचे के branches wider हैं, ऊपर it keeps getting smaller and smaller. So the same way, we have to shape the tree in this way that the branches lower half is wider and then keeps getting smaller and smaller. Wiring, I think, has been introduced by the Japanese, and today it is known as a Japanese art, and rightly so, surely. rest of the thing we'll do after we put it in the pot. Birds को हम secure भी करेंगे. So he is going to show you. इसको secure तार बांध. क्योंकि अगर किसी में disease हो, जैसे जब आप repotting करते हैं तो जो भी खिचड़ी नीचे के होते हैं उनको अगर आप wash करके लगाएंगे it's so much better. We normally wash them, we sun them, and then we put. Now, how do you take out the plant from the pot? This one is not tight. You know, you should put your finger around the trunk line and then pull it. Okay, इसमें तार लगा हुआ है. Okay. Now this, because it was already a bonsai. तो ऊपर है, नीचे से ऊपर आई है ना ये. So this has been tied. So we have to first open it up, or you just cut it from the bottom. Yeah. And how to remove it is this. You don't pull it out. This is the way, like a cake. It should come out like a cake. You get raw materials like this, and then you have to wire them and get them in shape.
Which plant?
Yeah. It's got 3 names. So it's called wax malpighiae in some places. It's called Carmona microphylla. Then the Chinese call it the Fukin tea. So these are the 3 names it has. Unfortunately, because this has come from China.
Looks like kikar, नहीं? जो हमारे इधर में सब में.
It's called Malpighiae coccicera. That can be the hawthorn what you're talking about. Yeah. White तो इसमें भी आती है, इसमें भी green color. बड़े अच्छे flowers आते हैं इसमें. I love this variety.
Local name क्या है?
Local name कुछ नहीं है. Because this is so now you can take a chopstick, you can take हमने कुछ bamboo की भी बना रखी है जो हमने.
What about jade? Jade plant, can it be a good substitute?
Of course, if you have not taken the round, please take a round. There is a jade over there on the rock. Jade is very hardy, and jade is one plant which can take the summer, winter, but you should never repot it in winters. It will die. And less of water. It's a succulent. Succulent है, so you need less of water.
What does she mean by repotting? Means कि जब आपने प्लांट खरीदा.
But is this also bonsai potting mixture? जो आपके हाथ में है? Is this a bonsai? Is it a bonsai potting mixture?
Yeah, this is what we make our own.
How do we make it? How do we?
Potting mixture.
खरीद लो.
What all you put in the potting?
See, as I said, आप लोग अगर if you are all into growing plants, whatever mixture you make, if your plants are doing very well in it, because देखिए आपका पानी फर्क है, आपके यहाँ धूप कितनी आती है क्या, that's all very very important. But your potting mixture must have some amount of organic matter, must have some amount of inorganic matter, and so that it becomes a nice, nutritious, porous soil. Basically, porosity is very important.
कोको पीट और ये सैंड बनाने में.
Yes, now we do.
Vermicompost also.
If you can get vermicompost, nothing like
ये बायर्स बाहर ही छोड़ी हुई है, बायर्स बाहर ही छोड़ी हुई है.
Please do not use the Haridwar ke pebbles. That is not natural. They are river pebbles. Okay, they are river pebbles. Please do not use them in bonsai. We never use.
Hunger is the best.
Hunger is very good. और भी किस्म के आजकल नए पत्थर आने लग गए हैं. Things that are jagged. That is because basically what I want to show is a more of a mountainous or a, you know, जो pebbles हैं वो सिर्फ river में मिलते हैं. अगर आप पहाड़ों पे जाओ या अरावली हिल्स में भी चले जाओ कहीं पे भी you don't find round stones, right? They only have to be where a flowing river is. So that doesn't look nice. So abhi you will see how this one plant will get really this whole thing will get. अभी हम थोड़ा मैजिक भी करने वाले हैं. The beauty of the composition, we are not going to tie this one. इसको तो सिर्फ रखने का फायदा नहीं. So see, any plant that you have can be converted into a little interesting landscape.
बस सीखना पड़ेगा.
तो क्लासेस है ना, अभी बताते हैं.
ये खंगर you pick up from construction sites.
इधर मिलते हैं छतरपुर की तरफ. वहाँ पे वो पत्थर वाले बैठे हुए हैं ना. Very nice. This is the front. सुनिए जरा ताली वाली बजाइए. दोबारा भी ताली बजानी पड़ेगी जब हम अपना.
Sit on your walls also.
सब जगह.
जहाँ पे बरसात के टाइम में
पुराने घरों में दीवारों पे सब जगह. Yes. Expectations you fulfill all of them. That's so sweet of you. But there is so much to learn. And I tell you, हमारे टाइम पे ना कोई किताबें होती थी जो कुछ सीख लिया कर लिया. Now the internet is like flooded. किताबों की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. Everything is there on it. But you know what I have still noticed? Unless and until you have a teacher who can tell you आप wiring की कर. There are people who've been saying, अरे हम तो 20 साल से कर रहे हैं. Then they come to our exhibition. Then they say, पर हमारे plants तो आपकी तरह से हैं नहीं. So now you know how to wire. What is the aesthetic this thing? What is balance in a tree? How do you get depth? How do you get a three-dimensional this thing? All those things, unless and until you learn them. And then of course now there is so much of information available that you can always enhance your basic. gravel भी डाल दिया है and now it looks like a complete
So you've covered the sand part with moss, not the clay.
Because khangar is a beautiful, you're trying to show that they are stones, right?